Alright traders, hello and welcome back. It's another video update. I put one out yesterday, so it's now the 3rd of July 2020. Just to do a quick recap on the situation. So I went short the Aussie dollar. Now I haven't journaled, I know, blasphemy, I apologize about that. I want to give you guys a little bit of a recap on the trade. I took it on the hourly. I was up. I didn't have a really early start yesterday. I'm actually fully self-employed right now, so I'm not a full-time trader. I do other stuff. I'm also a personal trainer as well. If anyone's in Perth looking for a personal trainer, we're based in O'Connor, so I understand if you're far away, that's fine. But you know, if anyone wants any advice online, I can help out as well still. Now, okay, so the Aussie dollar. I was watching this. I talked about this potential trade yesterday as well, even though the title of the video was Euro pound buy trade. Because I thought that was going to pop. I didn't end up taking that. I nearly did because I'm just going to sip my coffee here. But I didn't quite take it. Aussie looked better. It pushed higher. I follow a few professional traders as well, and they were talking about, you know, a potential reversal here. And I want to go into my thesis, and I guess it was just this. You know what I mean? That's all it was. It was just a previous exhaustion around there where the close of the candles are. Not quite, but again, you know, I've said this before, you know, trading is not an exact science. You know, there is an art form to it in regards to levels. And you've got to have a keen eye for when the price action is going to turn, because there are different market participants there. So you've got to be present to that, and you can't just be too fixated and too stubborn. So I took the trade. I got in at around, it was 69.33. I don't have the platform up. I like to use this platform because it loads better than the other ones. But so I got in around 69.33, and I got out at 63.07. So I understand, like, that's not fantastic, but in the market conditions right now, it was pretty good. I mean, that candle really just shot down, which I didn't think was going to happen. I had the take profit set at 69 flat, which was sort of where it had bottomed out before. What was the low of that candle there? 69.04. So I was a little greedy, but at the same time, like, that'd have been nice. Made just over 1%, I think 1.2% on some client accounts, so that was fantastic. I'd worked that day. It was a great day, and it was just sometimes, you know, you just have good days, and that was one of those. That was a good day, like it was. Now to compound my thesis here, we had the S&P 500 turning, with the US index rallying a little bit all during this time. This is 10:30 odd at night, Perth time, so we're talking about 10:30 in the morning US session. A lot of activity, and the momentum was down. We had a few things in our favor as well, and I took that trade, and that's sort of, you know, how it eventuated. So you guys have to understand, if you want to, as a developing trader, I'm still a developing trader, you know, you've got to be around, and it's uncomfortable, and you know, you're going to be a little sleep deprived. And I have a lot of people, you know, get in touch with me, and they just blow away because it's difficult, and it is. And you know, there's a few things that are coming together for me recently, and if they play out well, I'll have more capital to trade with. I'll be also dabbling in the Australian equity market as well, mostly ASX 200 based stocks. So I'll be updating that as well. I've got some huge life events that are potentially playing out in regards to some property. So not great things, but it would free up a lot of capital. So I will have a big update video coming. And again, if you haven't already, guys, you're watching this, please give it a like. Well, no, just subscribe. Hit the notification bell. If you don't like it, don't like it, but maybe explain what you'd like to see. I'm all about constructive feedback. You know, if you just want to hate on me, I don't think I'm that popular yet to be hated on, but if I am, I am. I don't think I am. I'm not making any money off YouTube yet. So, and I'm probably the most prolific uploader to not be monetized, I reckon, in YouTube, because I have probably made over 1,500 videos in my time since I really started pursuing trading, and I have not made the most popular video was probably one that I made that I'm on this channel. It was a paintball gun that I had that I shot a bird with that was harassing my cat, and that wasn't even on. That's like Mr. World Peace 123 or something. I remember my university friend and I, we filmed that. Well, my friend from uni is still my friend, very good friend of mine. He filmed it, and he put it together, and that probably has over 10,000 views actually. My next popular video is probably the one where I talk about brokers for day trading US stocks as well, which I don't currently do. And really that's just to do with my equipment. And I mean, honestly, again, it's just about where my capital is, and it just needs to be freed up. And that is looking like it's going to happen soon. And I still monitor things. I monitor like Warrior Trader and things like that. But anyway, guys, that was the trade. As you can see, it's come back up again. Like the low it got to was 69.12 on this broker. The other broker I was using actually got lower. I was using Oanda. I use Oanda and Sam Trade as well. But yeah, look, guys. So stay tuned for a big update video. It is coming. Like I don't really want to do this video, but I'll be doing it, and I hope it just can attract some more people because I really want to help. And you know, have I made a lot of money from trading? Not really. I've dabbled in a few things and ETFs and Forex and equities and things like that. And well, not really equities. I have like a retirement fund, but that's all hands free. My previous employer handles that Quanta superannuation, so I do have Quanta shares. Let's not talk about that right now, though. I mean, this is not going to be a trading watch list either. Like I'm out. I'm out. I've got tonight. I'm busy at the gym. I'm doing some training stuff as well in the gym. So you know, I'm actually a professional strength and conditioning coach. I am working in a gym, and you know, it was a busy day yesterday. But you just got to be like aware of the situation in the markets. You know, don't watch too much if you're a part-time trader, and just trade what you see. Like don't overthink it. Is what I'd say. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll get this uploaded straight away. Hope everyone is having a fantastic day. The reason why I don't have the webcam on is because the sun, where I'm in the office, it's best just doing the office. It's a comfy chair. The lighting is quite bright, so it just blinds out the webcam and you can't see me anyway. So I'm just all shadowed. Alright. Anyway guys, thank you for watching and bye for now.